Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about the process of a tendu. This is Miss Jada. She's going to be starting into the tendu, pushing down through both legs, making sure she's rotating outwards on both of them, using the joint in her foot, the ball-toe connection, keeping the heel up. Now she's going to push down through the toes, toes back in an extension of both legs. Don't pull or it'll pull your hip back and it'll turn you in. Now she's going to transfer her weight on the 2 feet and transfer it back to one as she slowly pushes down into the floor, creating a divot in the floor if possible. You want to go down through that position, making sure the heel is forward, that your hips are flat to the front. And then again, you're going to reach out further as you push into the floor. And that is going to create the length to place it into your fifth position, nice and smooth. Now, again, down through, toes back. Make sure you keep your weight up front on that front leg, nice and turned out. Hips nice and level. Reach out through the leg. Heel forward, length, length, length. This is a nice, easy spot to bend your leg. And then we place back to a very nice fifth position.